to my crowdy craft room. Alright guys, recently I made a little video about my Graphic 45 new storage boxes from Vaessen boxes, and I really loved how it turns out. And when I was finished, I thought, upstairs it could be something like that too, but it is not that big up here. And I recently had those little guys, those foldable accordion style storage ones, and I had them above those big drawers, and so everyone was nicely on a nice row. But with the how do you call that angle of a roof, it's not that easy to take them out. So I really got this tip from someone who followed me on YouTube. So I got these from Vaessen Creative, and those are 35.6 centimeters by 37.5 centimeters and 8.6 centimeters thick. So I hope that I can, yeah, I really have too much. I know I really have too much, but I hope I can, yeah, put these in, and especially for the Prima marketing with all the note cards and flowers. And I really like everything be together. Not same on those die cuts from Stamperia. I don't want to store them everywhere else, somewhere else, because if I would grab a piece of paper, then I would think, well, I do have the die cuts from it, but where do I have store them? Well, that kind of a girl I am. I hope you can recognize that a little bit. So yeah, I ordered a bunch of these. I have no clue if I'm going to use them all, but yeah, let's just see. Yeah, it was super cool. Where do I order these? These are coming from emmasworld.nl. So check out the website if you like. So she can provide them more, perhaps, for you. I really like it, and I'm gonna see how it all fits in. Alright, but first of all, I'm gonna see how I am gonna put that white on top. I'm gonna put these vertical or horizontal. I'm just gonna see how best they are gonna fit. Yay! I don't know about you guys, but yeah, when it's sorted, it also is a little bit easy and quietness in my head, because how it looks like this, ugh, I hate it. So yeah, let's get in. So check it out, emmasworld.nl. Speciaal voor ons hier in Nederland, emmasworld.nl. Check it out. Ta-da! Alright, those are empty still, but oh my goodness. Alright, so I got 12, and I also had a little space for on the back to put one, maybe for just little pieces. But okay, what do you say? I really like it. I tried to put them this way as books, but that's not that very nice. It's not that neat. Maybe handier to pull them out. Wait, I'm going to show you. Wait just a sec. Okay, so this is how it looks, if I put these like books, but then again, maybe, and now they are still empty, but I don't think, because yeah, you can see, you can move them, but see, it's not that nice. It's not that, but maybe it's easier to pull it out, especially the first one. You can pull it out really easy, but in the middle, it's not that easy. Maybe it's easier, yeah, otherwise if I pull it horizontal, then I need to take them out and put them well, I put this aside and then pull out, but alright. it's a matter of taste. Anyway, I'm gonna fill my pile with papers and see how it goes. Oh, by the way, I removed one sticker already off, but it's not that easy, so I'm gonna do that in a little less hurry. Not that I am in a little hurry, but yeah, it's almost dinner time, cook dinner time. So yeah, I want to do this today with the daylight. So cool. There they go. Okay, this is so cool. And I know those fits I made might, I don't know. No, I don't think so. I will try that if they will fit in a Kallax, but I don't. IKEA Kallax cabinet, but I don't think so. But I'm gonna check. No, they don't fit. It's larger than a 30 centimeters. Anyway, I have all my papers inside, and for those who know why, no, that's not the case that I wanted to. Why do I want these especially in such cases? Well, the weather is crazy lately, the last few years, and in 2016, I did had an enormous damaging to my house with a lot of water. So, well, I can't imagine how devastated I would be if all my papers were ruined. So, I want to try investing in something that is more secure. So, yeah, I really think that this is a good investment for your papers. And yes, I know it's better to just use them and don't store them only. I know, but yeah. Who does not do this? Okay, so I definitely need to stop buying papers, but hey, guys. I just love papers, and it's so nice to grab a piece of collection or piece of cardstock and just watch them. I just love that. So yeah, now I have my graphic 45 nicely and safe stored downstairs, and here I have my other design. So I have I believe this pile has only graphic 45 Prima Marketing, only that one. Then I have Ciao Bella. I have only one Ciao Bella only. I have a Lemon Craft one. I have two Stamperia, and I have two UHK, but those I did not buy. Those I got sent from UHK. So okay, so yeah, I do have enough, don't I? Yes, I do, and I hope I can use them all in the couple years that are coming, but who knows. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this storage idea. It's really a sturdy one, guys. Really is. I'm gonna take off this sticker, but look at how close this is. Look at that. Look, it's so secure. I even can't open it. Oh, here it is. So yay, lots and lots of stuff you can put inside. Look, the sound of that sturdy closure. So yeah, it's not that I wanna do a commercial or something, or advertising on these boxes, but I just like to show you that I got this tip from someone who followed me along on video on YouTube, and I got this tip and I saw these on the last craft fair that I went, and I had them in my hand, and I was thinking, yes, this is definitely the thing that I was searching for, and so I got a bunch. So this is way much better than those fragile little things. And when I do, and I hope not, but when I do have much rain or something, I bet that this is way better secure than leave them all in those. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. Check it out for us Dutch people. emmasworld.nl, there is where I got these. And Yeah, I really love these. So thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.